Welcome back guys on another YouTube video. Now in today's video I've been getting a lot of emails about people trying to ask me to make a video about how to make money in the metaverse. Now today's video I'm going to be explaining about how to make money in the metaverse, because metaverse is the growing project now at the moment in the crypto industry. If you don't know about metaverse, it's high time you try to follow us on our crypto channel, which is Crypto Lives Coin channel. So go and subscribe to that channel, because you must be the one or the first person to receive or be informed whenever we upload a new video like this. Now without wasting time, our today's topic is how to make money in the metaverse. Now, from tech giants to fashion brands, everyone is placing their bets on the metaverse. Now, tech giants, we are talking about Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Google. All these companies, they are getting involved in the metaverse. Now, metaverse, how can you profit or make money from it? The first point you must do is participate in play and earn games. Now these games are being programmed by people or different companies. Now if you go online, nowadays the games which they offer or services which they provide through playing games is you play a particular game. When you win all the levels they programmed for that particular game, you earn some tokens. Now this money you can earn it in coins or tokens, different tokens, based on the programmer who programmed that particular game. Now you can make money in the metaverse through playing games. First, the second one is design 3D accessories for users. Now 3D accessories, these are headsets which are virtual 3D headsets or glasses which you wear for you to access the social connection of people in the metaverse. Now companies like Google, they have come up with the idea of making several 3D virtual glasses or headsets you're going to be using in the metaverse. So another one is create and monetize VR games. Now VR games still comes back to participating in play to earn games, but this it's a little bit creative or a little bit different from this, because VR, this is virtual reality games. Now virtual reality games, you play these games wearing this 3D virtual headsets which I've tried to explain before. Now you investing in them and you create as more as you can, because this technology is going to be working worldwide. You can make a lot of money from just creating the VR games headsets or programming this kind of softwares. Another point is buy and sell land parcels. Now these land parcels, these are programmed real estate which are going to be sold in the metaverse through a virtual way. So you coming up with an idea of creating your cryptocurrency, and that cryptocurrency in its blockchain, and you create space for programming these land parcels. That means you're going to be one of the greatest investors that will be making money in the metaverse. Now get sponsors for free events. It's like you getting, like, let me say, getting a lot of investors who are able to invest in a certain project in the metaverse. Now you putting different events, now like real estate or games or NFTs, you can make a lot of money from those events. Now you participating in either one or three or all of these points I've tried to explain, you can make quick money or a lot of money from the metaverse. Now that's what I was trying to explain for you today. The ways how to make metaverse to make money in the metaverse, participate in play to earn games, design 3D accessories for users, create and monetize VR games, buy and sell land passes, get sponsored for free events. Don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video and commenting if you feel like you have received valuable information from our YouTube channel, plus signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance Limited, so far the largest crypto exchange in the whole world, with an average of 900 million clients worldwide. Now sign up with Binance. The link is down in the description.